Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today to share the paper collection that I will be crafting with for Jovi, who is Creating with Jovi here on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. She also has other social media outlets, and you can purchase her digital kits on her Etsy shop. I'll have all that information linked down below, as well as a link to this particular collection, which is called Old Time Christmas. And I did want to mention that this collection actually comes with 19 pages. They are PDF images that will print. Let me just show you. They will print this way, and you'll get one image per page. Now, I think the project that I'm going to work on this month is going to be on a smaller scale. So I reduced the images, and I put 2 on a page to print out. And also this month, I did print this on a different printer than the one I normally use. I really wasn't satisfied with the images I was getting in. Let me just show you right now. This is how this printed on my craft printer here in my craft room. So you can see it's very faded. It has a yellow hue to it, and it has a great vintage look to it. But I wasn't sure I wanted to go with that look. So I did pop onto the laser printer we have in the house, which I don't use very often because it's pretty expensive to print with the laser ink, okay? But this time around, I thought I would give it a try. And what I would like for all of you is, if you would just drop me a comment down below and let me know which one of these printing you would prefer to see this month's project done in. Would you like the darker images or the more faded, vintagey look to them? So I actually have printed it all out on here, but I certainly can go back and do this one. I'll see what all of you have to say. I haven't quite made up my mind, but I think I may be going with this one. Not sure yet. So anyway, like I said, you get 19 pages. The kit is $4, and who knows, it may go on sale in the next few weeks or at least before Christmas. You'll just have to check Jovi's Etsy shop from time to time to see if she's running any sales. So you can see here, we've got these beautiful images. Look at how lovely that is. Okay, so that's pages 1 and 2. Here are 3 and 4. Really, really pretty. Love the detail in these. Oh, and this one is so darling. Look at this. All the little girls are out caroling for Christmas. And then we have this one here. And another thing I noticed about that printer, the laser printer, it prints in more pink hues, and I couldn't figure out how to adjust the coloring. So you are going to see some pink hues in here, which I would rather were more whitish, but you know, sometimes we just got to go with what we have, right? Sometimes the pink works and sometimes it doesn't. So these are gorgeous. So this would have been one page, which you could split if you were doing a regular size journal. And then we've got this one here, the beautiful snowy scene in town. And then this one here, we've got a little horse-drawn carriage in the background. And here's another one. It would be 2 pages that you could split if you chose to. Gorgeous images. Now this one here, actually this background that looks pink, in Jovi's images, they're slightly green. So like I said, I don't know what's going on with that printer that prints some things pink, but that's how this ended up. And you know what? It works fine for me, but I did want to let you know that if you go onto her website and you do choose this design set, you're going to find that this is going to be green, or not a dark green, but a greenish color. But very, very pretty nonetheless, printed in pink. And this one here. And then we have a lot of cut-aparts. So we've got all of these. We've got this one here that looks like the Scrooge. We'll give you a close-up of that one. And look at this snow globe. Absolutely gorgeous and detailed. And we have these tags and cut-aparts. Little Santas down there. Beautiful. And oh, this is cute. Look at this puppy underneath the Christmas tree. We've got Santa and the children there by his buggy. We've got some kids here amongst the poinsettias. Beautiful deer there. So we do have some tags. Very, very cute. We got some Christmas cookies here. Some little round tags. We've got some little vintage printouts there. So this is a really cute collection. Old Time Christmas. And there's Father Christmas himself. Got some smaller tags here, or cut aparts. And this is the last page. So I would say that these backgrounds may be a little bit more green in the original than this pink that I have here. Although some of them might be pink too. I don't know. So that is the collection that I printed out. And like I said, this is Old Time Christmas. I will be crafting with this. I may do one project. I may do 2 projects. We'll see what kind of time I have. But I really would appreciate it if you guys could drop me a note below and let me know which of the printing options you prefer. Do you prefer the faded option here, or do you prefer the more vivid, darker images? So that's what I've got for you today. Keep your eyes out on my channel for my upcoming projects. I may actually do something where it'll be a craft with me so that you guys can see what I'm doing to create my project. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do yet. And yeah, don't forget that I will have a giveaway. The project that I create this month will be a prize. So if I have more than one video, please make sure you watch them all, leave a comment, hit the like button, and I would ask that you are a subscriber or frequent commenter on my channel. You need to have a U.S. mailing address, be 18 years or older. This is not sponsored by Jovi, YouTube, or anyone else. These are solely my projects that I'm creating with the images provided by Jovi. And yeah, I think that's about it, but I will have all of the information about the giveaway and all of the other design team members and guest design team members in the description box below. If you have any questions, drop those down below. And yeah, so happy crafting, and I will catch you all in the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.